Hello everyone, welcome back. From my last video, we spoke about adding custom authentication to your Blazor. And also I said that we were supposed to look at chats in this video. But that was wrong. I don't know why I made that statement. I was rushing somewhere. But yeah, in this video, we're going to look at Mastermind. As you can see on the screen, you'll see Mastermind. There's a column here. I'm going to see how it works. But before we start, let's look at some little bit of change I made before this video. I made some changes to my accounts column. So I allowed the column to accept full name and username. Go to our migration file. I added these two new column, full name and username, just to allow us to explain better on this video. And I also added these three new admin accounts. Okay, with that out of the way, let's see how Mastermind works. So let's go to our dashboard and login. Okay, so we're currently logged in. We're logged in as look just to be sure. Let me log out. Let me just clear. Let me clear my cookie. So now we're currently login page. So let me log in as Lucas. And let me put my password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so now I'm logging as Lucas. Let me create one query from Lucas. Let me just fork this query. So I can come here and fork. And also I can just edit the name. So let me make it Lucas users from Ghana. So let me create this. With this created, if you come to our homepage, you will notice that under the query, we have view, signifying that Lucas is the one that created this query. But then let's try to log into another account and see how that shows there. Let me create a new incognito window and go to my Blazor URL. Okay, so now let me log in as Mac. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now that I've logged in as Mac, you can see, as you can see, there's a problem. Ideally, it should show the name of Lucas here, but it's not showing here. The question then becomes why? Why is Lucas' name not showing under the query that he created? Let's go into the code and see how Blazor works. The way Blazor works is if you go to our YML file, blazor.yml file, if you remember from our previous video, we made the account model as the user class. The way Blazor works is that Blazor goes into the accounts model and looks for a name column under the accounts model and uses that name column to show the name of the mastermind. But currently in our current account model, we don't have any model that is named, that is tag name. We go to our migration file, we can see under this file, we have email, encrypted password, full name, but we don't have anyone that is named because that's the default that Blazor uses. But we can change that. If we come down here, we can see user underscore name that Blazor uses to set the column that Blazor should check for. So if we want to check for, if we want to set it to the model that we have, you can see we have full name. We can then use that column name as username here. Let's change it to full name. With this change, let's restart our server and then go back to our window and refresh. Waiting for the server to run. So it's active now. So let me refresh this. Voila. As you can see now, Lucas is actually showing under the query that he created. You can change this name to any string column that we have under our model. Let's say I also created the username column just as another example. You can see username. We can also go back to our blazor.yml file and change this to username. And restart our server. Voila, you can see, look. So if your database has a name column under your model, then it should work by default. Or if it uses another name, another name, then you have to configure it under the blazor.yml file. Okay, with all this, I think we've talked about the mastermind column and how to allow it to work with Blazor. With all this, we've come to an end to this video. And in our next video, we'll be looking at permissions, how to restrict who can view a particular query, who can edit a particular query under Blazor. Thank you for listening to me, and happy coding.